So this is going to be a very quick video. Um, One of my viewers has asked me a question, and it is in this video I'm simply going to answer that question. So here's the question. Adoba Francis Brown from Ghana says, the relative density of steel is 7.8. Find the mass of solid steel cube of side 10 centimeters. That's part A. And then part B, what volume of steel has a mass of 8 kilograms? So that's the question I'm going to answer. So that's the question right there. The relative density of steel is 7.8. So we know that relative density of steel is 7.8. I'm summarizing the question. They're asking us to find the mass of a solid steel cube of side 10 centimeters. When they say side 10 centimeters, this is the cube they're talking about, something like that. I think my fine art is still okay. So when they say it's side 10 centimeters, it means that all the sides are 10 centimeters. That's the cube. That's what they mean by a solid steel cube of side 10 centimeters. Yeah, that each side is 10 centimeters. So they want us to find the mass of this. So what is the mass of this thing? What is the mass? Okay, so first of all, what do we know about relative density? We know that relative density, by definition, we know relative density is the ratio of the density of an object to density of water. That is the primary definition of relative density. It could also mean, you can also define it as it's the mass of the object. Divide that by mass of an equal volume of water. Any can work. Now, looking at this question, I think taking this definition will work for us. So now, taking that definition from that angle, we shall go ahead and say, yeah, relative density here, let me rewrite it here, is going to be giving us the density of the object, divide that by the density of the water. So now, relative density of the object here, we know it as 7.8. So we shall come here and say it is 7.8. That is 7.8. Remember, relative density has no units. So 7.8 is going to be equal to us, is going to give us the density of the object, which we do not know. We shall say density of the object. Divide that by the density of water. We know now density of water is 1,000 kilograms per meters cubed. So we shall go ahead and make this the subject of the formula. So when we make density of the object the subject of the formula, that is by multiplying 1,000 on both sides. So this goes with that. We shall remain with the density of the object. In this case, the object we are talking about is this steel cube they are talking about here. This one here, the density of steel, that's what we are talking about. So the density of the object here, it's going to be 1,000 times that, which is going to be 7,800. That is 7.8 times 1,000 gives us 7,800, and that's the density. And since we are using kilograms per meters cubed, of course, our answer here, density of the object, is going to be 7,800 kilograms per meters cubed. So we have the density of the object. But remember, the question requires us to find the mass. They want us to find the mass of the solid steel of side 10 centimeters. So let's go ahead and, now that we have the density of the object, we can go ahead and find the mass. We know that this same density of the object, is given by mass of the object, divide that by volume. Now we're interested in finding the mass. The question wants us to find the mass. So the density of the object, we already got it up here as 7,800. So we shall go ahead and say 7,800 kilograms per meters cubed is going to give us the mass of the object. Divide that by the volume of the object. Now remember, they told us here that the thing is side 10 centimeters. So the volume of this object, if we say 10, we know that volume is length times width times height. And so if we shall go ahead and say 10 times 10 times 10, we shall end up with 1,000. But the units here are centimeters cubed. Now we need to, since we are going to mark the volume here, remember, This 7,800 thing, the 7,800 here, the density is in kilograms per meters cubed. So it would be nice for our volume to be in meters cubed so that the units are harmonious. So we convert this volume here, up here, this volume, we convert it to meters cubed so that it's harmonious. And of course, if you convert it to meters cubed, you end up with 0.001 meters cubed. So this is the volume in meters cubed, like that. This instead, you could actually just go ahead and this is 10 centimeters. We know 10 centimeters. Convert that to meters is over 100. You end up with 0.1 meters. So you simply say here is 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1, and you end up with this answer 0.01 meters cubed. But I think you get the idea. So it's 0.01 meters cubed. That's the volume. So that's what we're going to come and put down here. So this is going to become 0.001 meters cubed. So when we make mass the subject of the formula, that is multiply that by 0.001, multiply both sides by 0.001. This will cancel with that. We shall end up with our mass being equal to, our mass is 7.8. Of course, this meters cubed and that meters cubed will cancel, and our units will be in kilograms. So this is 7.8 kilograms. So the mass is 7.8 kilograms. And there we have answered that question. We have answered the first part of the question right there. That is answered. So part B, what volume of steel has a mass of 8 kilograms? So moving on to part B, we shall go ahead and say the volume of steel that has a mass of 8 kilograms. Again, we know that density of the steel is given by mass, divide that by volume. And we'll remember we're still talking about this steel. Okay, so what's the density of that steel? We got it earlier in our previous calculation down here. We've got the density of steel right here as this. That's the density we got. So that's the density of steel. We shall come here and say the density here is 7,800 kilograms per meters cubed, is given by mass. Remember, the question here requires us to find the mass. So it is going to give us the mass, divide that by the volume. What's the volume? Oh, they want us to find what volume of steel. So they want us to find the volume of steel that has a mass of 8 kilograms. So this is going to become 8 kilograms. That's the mass, divide that by the volume. V, that is what we are looking for. And of course, making V the subject of the formula here, V is going to be equal to 8, divide that by 7,800. 8 is in kilograms, here it is kilograms per meters cubed, like that. So the volume here is, so the volume we have here is going to become 0.00102, and this is in meters cubed. So Adoba Francis Brown, I think I've answered your question. So here is my reply. And of course, remember to share my YouTube channel link with your colleagues, your fellow classmates, so that they also get to benefit from the work that I do here. My name is Arnold Rangakuramia, and this is Kisembo Academy. Take care.